Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D Disney Pixar-style cartoon movie like this.
In a quiet suburban basement, 8-year-old Tommy created a world of wonders. His lab, adorned with posters of great scientists, blueprints, and gadgets.
Using Luma Labs Dream Machine, LEONARDO AI, and Canva. First, we'll use Luma Labs to generate and animate stunning 3D models effortlessly. Next, LEONARDO AI will add realistic textures to our characters. Finally, Canva will help us storyboard and finalize our project's visual elements. Let's get started and bring your imagination to life. Using Luma Labs Dream Machine, LEONARDO AI, and Canva. First, we'll use Luma Labs to generate and animate stunning 3D models.
Go to Luma Dream Machine, but we will go to this try now option and then we will create an account with your Gmail or email account. Now it will redirect us to the main page. You can use it for 5 generations per day for the time being. Otherwise, you have total 30 generations for free. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. We're going to do text to video. We can do text to video as well as image to video. So for the first generation, I'll be showing you how to do a text to video. Then we will go to image to video option. And here I will paste the prompt. Okay, and then I'll go to this send prompt option. This enhanced prompt option should always be ticked. It should be checked because it will automatically enhance your prompt. Now let us wait for a while my video is getting generated. Let us go to part 2 where we will be creating the image and then we will be uploading that image here and then we'll be creating the video out of it. For that, I'm going to use LEONARDO AI. I'll leave all these links in the description. Now here, you'll have to go to this image generation option. Straight away go to this image generation option. Now see, those who are aware of this platform, they can very well see the platform has changed its interface. If you want to get back to the previous mode, you can keep this toggle off. Okay, but I am going to go to this legacy mode only. And here I will be pasting the same prompt. Okay, if you want to improve the prompt, you can go to this improve prompt option. That way it will improve the prompt. Once this is done, here you can check any of these styles, concept art style, so you can take any of these styles. So I'm going to take phonics version only. Here enhancement, you can keep it auto. Okay, now preset style, you have different styles here. You can choose any of these styles. Contrast, you can keep low, high or medium. I'll keep high. Quality should always be selected here, not the first one. I will select the dimension also. You can select number of images. I'm keeping it 2. Now if you go to advanced settings, you can keep this photorealism model on, but for phonics, your photorealism model will always remain off. So if you go for any other model, you can keep it on. Next is negative prompt. You may keep this toggle on and give some negative prompt, and then I will go for generate. So let me see. See here the image is quite satisfactory, but then it is not quite Pixar 3D style. So I would like to go for Pixar 3D style. So I will add it. I would say this. I will take Leonardo lightning style. And here in model you can choose, since I have not chosen Phoenix. So I have the option to choose any model. So I would like to go for Kano Excel style. Okay, you can keep photorealistic model on. Okay, let's see now which images get generated are satisfactory or not. Now see, these images are pretty good. I would like to go for this image. Okay, so I will just go for smooth upscaling by going to this option. And then after the upscaling is done, I would like to download this image. Okay. Now what we are doing, to keep the characters same, we will have to go to this option, prompt box, top right, left hand side corner. We have to go to this portion and go to character reference. Here, since we have generated our image in this platform itself, so we will go to this generation option and we'll be taking this image as character reference and confirm it. And then we will be changing the prompt. So I have already got my prompts here. I have already generated 2 scenes. So I'm taking the third scene. Rest all the settings I will keep same and then go to generate. Now let us see how to generate a video out of an image. So for that, first we will go to this image icon. Here we will have to upload the image which I want to animate. Okay, here there is an option for end frame also. If you want to give one end frame option, then you can choose it from here. So go here and you may add one end frame. For the first video, I'm not going to give any creative directive completely here. So I'm just going to keep the enhance prompt, this option checked, and I will go to generate. In the next image to video, I'm going to give the complete directive, because most of the time I have seen if I have not given any prompt here, the video comes out is a bit weird. I'll give one image. So I'll go to this image option and here I will be giving one image. I'm not giving any end frame. Okay, I'm just going to paste one prompt. Okay, after that I will give this prompt and this I will ask for generating the video. So first I'll have to download this video. Now once downloaded, head over to Canva. From app section, we can go to Luma app. Here you have upload video and audio both. So first I upload video and image both. So first I have uploaded one image and I will be taking the first audio. So I will go to this audio option and choose the audio. I will choose the first audio, this one, and open and then play.
Just a few more connections. Almost there.
Okay. Now generate the lip sync video. Now Lalamu is a third party app. In app section you get different third party apps who have integrated their own website with Canva, so that you can have a try via Canva, and then if you like you can further get into their main server or main website and create your own video further. Okay. Now if I add it to design,
just a few more connections. Almost there.
Now right click and set the video as background. So my first slide is ready. I'll be going to share option, download in MP4 format. I will download this video. Okay. So once this is being done, let us upload another video, create new video. Here I will go to upload video option and I'll be uploading this video. Okay, instead of image which we have just downloaded. I will upload the second audio. So I'll go to upload audio option and I'll go to choose file option, and here I'll be choosing the second audio. Now create lip sync. So let us just wait for a while. This is my video. So I'll go to I'll add a new slide and then add the video.
Ready, Pepper?
Right click. Okay, now you see.
Ready, Pepper? We're about to make history.
Okay. So once it is done, again go to share option or the download option, and here I will check the only page which I want to, only the slide which I want to download. So download it. Okay, like this you can create lip sync also, and you can create videos from images. Like this I have created all these images. I'm going to show you another way to do lip sync and video generation, which is by Runway ML Gen 2. Well, this is not free software, but you can see I am using a free account where I'm getting 105 seconds videos for free. I actually started with 525 credits. Here I will have to go to select asset option, and I will simply take this video, this image. Okay, so let it get uploaded. See, it is uploaded now. Okay, now here it is optional to give a prompt. Go to generate 4-second video, this option. It will take some while to generate. If you want to speed up your generation, you can upgrade. Okay, there we go. Our video is ready. Now you can play it from here. Okay, now if you are not satisfied, you can further generate it. And here one more thing, you can do lip sync on this video itself. Now how to do it? Go to this lip sync option. Okay, now you have to upload the audio, or you can record the audio. I will just upload one audio, select from assets. It can be maximum 40 seconds long. I have selected one audio. You can play it from here.
Ready, Pepper? We're about to make history.
So we have done lip sync by Canva, Lalamu. We have also tried lip sync from Runway ML. You do let me know, guys, which software you're liking the most. If you need any free asset, please do let me know. I'll definitely try to find out something free or open source which you can use and try. I'll download. Okay, both the videos you can download. Okay, now I have used free version only. You can say upgrade is showing. That means my account is free. It's still having 97 seconds left. So it's a good option for generating lip sync and image to video along with Luma Dream Lab. Okay, so once everything is done, now let us head over to Filmora. Finally, you can use any video editing software and upload all your files, whatever you have downloaded. So let me upload all my files. Now one by one, we will have to first take the audio slide here, and accordingly we will have to adjust. You'll have to adjust all the videos. Okay, one by one, and then you need some nice background music. So for that, and some sound effects. For that, I would suggest 3 places. The first one is from here, audio sound effect. Here you have whoosh sound effect, click sound effect, ding. You have trending sound effects also, glitch. Okay, so you can try any of these. You have nice instrument sound effects as well, fire sound effect, whatever you need, you might get here. But one thing you should remember, if you're using Filmora 13 or Filmora 12, please go to this drop down and use only free assets. Pexel.com, you have sound effects as well. So go here and you can go for audio, or you can also use YouTube library. And if you come a little downwards, you have this audio library in the left hand side widget. You can have sound effects and music here. So you can download any of these music as well. So once you download all this, you just need to assemble these here as per the requirement, and then you can adjust the volume by double clicking or going to this effects option. If you're using Filmora 13, it should come in the right hand side widget, and then you can change the volume, fade in, fade out, all these options. Once everything is set, you can go to top right hand side corner, explore button, give a name, select the directory, keep the high resolution selected, other settings will be same, and then export. And after all this is the final result.
In a quiet suburban basement, 8-year-old Tommy created a world of wonders. His lab, adorned with posters of great scientists, blueprints, and gadgets, was the birthplace of his greatest invention. A machine to open a portal to a new universe.
Just a few more connections. Almost there.
With his loyal dog, Pepper, by his side, Tommy worked tirelessly.
Ready, Pepper? We're about to make history. Come on, boy. Let's see what's out there.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Sriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now, I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I, being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being a YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.